Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be me showing you what came inside of my March Boss and Bay subscription box. Now if you follow me, you already know that I get these, I've been getting these monthly, and it is a subscription box that is melanin friendly. So if you are not getting this box, you need to get this box. I love to support this box 100%, and I talk about it in every other video of me unboxing their stuff. They are a brand new subscription box. Well, not brand new, but you know, they're newer on the scene, and they support lots of small businesses that are melanin friendly. So if you're looking for a new box to get, I urge you to check out Boss and Bay. Also, if you are going to sign up, make sure you check down in the description box for my coupon code. That way you'll get a little bit off of your first box. And yeah, I'm not gonna say too much. You guys know I've talked about this in the past. I absolutely love this box, and I'm excited to get this open. Okay, so I got it open, and it looks like this with the cute little heart and the tissue paper. Okay, let's see. I'm really excited by this one, and the reason why is because I had to pick a size for a shirt. And if you guys watched my box from last month, you guys remember that super cute cup that I got, the like tumbler cup. Love it. So I'm excited to see what shirt is in here. Now when you open it up, you get the postcard, and it has this beautiful lady enjoying the beach right there. It does tell you what's inside of the box and what its retail valued at. I usually save that for last. So that's what we're gonna do now. This is what I see. It's all in there, all nice and pretty, and I don't know what to pick up first. So the first thing I see is this, and it smells good already through the box, and it says Beauty and Planet natural oils infusion with jojoba oil, strength and shine and acts of love for our planet. It says this blend infused with precious jojoba oil works together with the sultry and refined vetiver scent to softly encapsulate your hair with energizing freshness while giving it strength to care and care it deserves. You're looking at gorgeous locks and shine. Okay, so use as a deep treatment before washing or tame hair wet or dry when styling. So that is super cool, and this is 4 fluid ounces. I love the way this looks. If I'm not mistaken, I want to say I seen one of these products maybe like in a Target or something, and it was kind of expensive and I didn't get it. I think it was a lotion or something, and I didn't get it because it was too expensive. So I'm super excited to try this out and to try this brand, because I have not tried it before. The next thing I see are these bath salts right here. Look at that. Look at how pretty those look. Oh my goodness. And so it says Soprano Labs Renew Orange Ylang Ylang bath salts, and it is 9 ounces in here. And we all know what bath salts do, but the orange is lately, I don't know, what was I using? I had something that had like this orange. Oh, it was the bath soap from Bath and Body Works, and it has this orange tangerine scent, and I absolutely love it. So I have not had bath salts before with orange or ylang ylang in it, so I'm excited to try these out. I bet it smells amazing. Oh my god. Oh, that smells so good. Oh my gosh, the citrus and the orange, it just smells so good. So I can't wait to try this out, and I will give you guys the retail value for all of this stuff at the end of the video. So the next thing in here is this right here, and it says turmeric and cucumber peel off mask. And you guys, I don't know what it is about mask. I think in the past I may have had like a bad experience with getting it off, and it was just painful, and I just never wore a mask after that. But because this came in this box, I am going to use this one. I'm gonna give this one a try. It says apply evenly over face, gently remove, peel from the sides, use once to twice a week. So I'm gonna give this one a try. I'm sure it works really, really nice. Let's see. And it comes in a little bottle like this. And so it's just, I don't know, it's just my personal preference. I'm not big on masks, but like I said, I'm gonna try this one. Next, there is something in this cute little package right here, and I'm gonna get this open. Okay, so what I see inside is this beautiful nail polish, and it is in my favorite color, which is gold. Oh my goodness. You guys know I will be putting this on, and it says parchment nail polish. It also came with these 2 cards in here, and I'm gonna read them to you, but this is, when I just glanced at it, this is definitely a good reason why you should get this box, is because like I said, they not only are building their business, they help to promote other small businesses as well. And so the person that made this polish has this little card, and it tells you the ingredients that's in the polish, and it says glow getter, a driven, busy gal who strives to achieve her goals in life while attaining a beautiful glow inside and out. And so she made this polish, and I cannot wait to try it out. I love that gold. And they also put her business card in here. Her name is Julie Grogan, and it says maker and owner of Latherati. I believe it's Latherati. That's what it says. But then it says parchment nail polish. I just don't want to say anything wrong. Yeah, so, and it also has a coupon code in here for this, but I am super excited by this beautiful gold polish. I cannot wait to try it out. Okay, I see a shirt in there, but I'm gonna save that for last. After this item, I will get to that. So then I see this right here, and it is it a scarf? This collection is designed and handmade in Southern California using local artisans and the highest quality materials. So that is super cool because I live in Southern California. So this is made right here where I'm at, and it looks like it's going to be, I'm gonna open it up, and what it is this beautiful, look at that color. It kind of matches my shirt. Look at this scarf, and it has the, you know, hanging things on the ends, the little tassels, and this is so pretty. I love this color. This is perfect for spring. That is really, really nice. I love that. Look at that. And I absolutely love that it is made in Southern California. So shout out to anybody local doing business out here. So this was in there as well. And then the last thing that I'm pulling out, which I'm excited by, is this shirt. And look at it. Let's see what it says. Queen Royalty Chosen. I love it. I love it. And it has the crown on it, designed by T. Oh my goodness. Look at that. How pretty is that? Oh goodness. You guys know I will be rocking this shirt. Oh, I like that. Queen Royalty Chosen. Okay, I am definitely with that. So that was everything that came in my March box. Now let me go over the prices. So the bath salt retails for $16. The turmeric and cucumber mask retails for $29.50. The beautiful scarf retails for $35. This beautiful t-shirt retails for $25. This beautiful nail polish retails for $8. And the Beauty and Planet jojoba oil natural oils infusion retails for $6.99. So that is everything in my March Boss and Bae box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check down in the description box for a code, just in case you decide you want to go ahead and treat yourself, because subscription boxes are fun to get every month because you deserve a treat, and why not deserve something and also support small businesses. So I urge you, if you're looking for a box, to go ahead and use my discount code below to sign up for your Boss and Bae box. So that's it. I hope you have a beautiful day, everybody, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.